Here I have MODECOM FREETAB 9701 and let me show you how to set up this device. So let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following tablet. At the very beginning here you can choose your desired language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use on that device. In my case, let me find and select English, for instance from United States, right here, tap Start. Here you can connect your device to a Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this step because you can do more with your internet access. So the device is scanning for a Wi-Fi. As you can see, the tablet is turning the Wi-Fi on. And right now, here you've got access to the list of the Wi-Fi that are available. In my case, let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Let's enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose Connect right here. Now you can choose Next. You can also add the Google account if you would like to this device. Let me tap Yes. The Google account enables some interesting settings. Let's enter the email. You can even create a new Google account if you would like to, but in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's just enter the email and the password. So let me enter the password. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose Done. Here you can set up the credit card, or you can choose Not Now. Let me select Not Now. Let me bypass this step. Let me leave backup and restoring enabled. Let's choose Next again. Tap Finish, and as you can see, everything went well. Now you can use your device. Here you've got your home screen, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.